Hello guys, welcome to ATL Voltaic channel, and today we are going to make blind guide stick project. For this project required components are Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, lithium cell. First, we connect the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino Uno. For this, VCC is connected to 5 volt, ground is connected to ground, echo pin is connected to pin number 5 and trigger pin number 6. Now connect the buzzer to the Arduino. Connect positive terminal of buzzer to the pin number 2. And negative terminal connect to ground. Now we are going to upload the program. So this is our program. After uploading the program, our project is working like this. When an obstacle is detected near the 30 cm distance, the buzzer is on, which alerting the blind man for danger. Now we are going to stick buzzer, Arduino and this ultrasonic sensor on this blind guide stick. After connecting the battery, our project model is looking like this. This is our project blind guide stick. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.